Hello, it's me again. Actually, I'm listening to Emma Chamberlain's podcast. We're not surprised. What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Sunday. It is currently 12:11 p.m. and I have some errands to run today. I thought that it would be fun to bring you guys along with me because the errands that I'm running are actually going to be Christmas gift related. I have some gifts that I want to go look for and some people that I want to shop for today. I thought that it would be fun to do a little vlog out of it and bring you guys along with me. I think that I have 3 places that I want to go total, but one of them is kind of far. It's not far, I'm being dramatic, but it's not close either. I'm gonna get some coffee because I don't think that it is even allowed for me to run errands without getting a coffee. Like, I don't think that it is possible for me to run errands without getting a coffee first. Oh, by the way, if you are any of my family members, please click off because I don't want to ruin the surprise. Oh my god, this is gonna be so much fun. I'm going to turn on some music. I think that I'm just in an overall better mood lately because the semester is over. I feel like I have a lot more freedom and I feel like I can breathe again. It's Sunday, my semester ended on Friday, so it has literally been 2 days, but I am already feeling so much better. All right, let's get started with this vlog. Let's stop at Dunkin' and then we will be on our way. The line is really not that long today, thank God, because a lot of the time it is just out of the parking lot and down the street. But even if it was, I would wait in it, so. Hi, could I get a medium hazelnut iced coffee with cream, no sugar, please? Thank you. Oh shit, oh shit. Hi. Thank you. Thanks, you too. People really just don't know how to use a turn signal. Like, do they know it's there? All right, so now that we are prepped and ready, obviously we could not start before we got this. We are going to drive to our first destination, which is the farthest one. I'm starting at the farthest one and then working back because I want to stop at Target at the end, but I need to get creamer for my coffee, so I didn't want to have that just like in my car for a couple hours, you know what I mean? Like, I just want to go home after that so I can put it in the fridge. That's the plan. I think that we're gonna have a bit of a jam session, shuffle my music. Play WAP by Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. Here's WAP. Alright, hi everybody. We are at our first destination, which is Staples. I am looking for a new office chair for my mom. My mom works from home, so she's been working from home for a long ass time. And I think that she's honestly been using the exact same chair the entire time. And she mentioned a couple weeks ago how uncomfortable it was and everything. So I want to get her a nice new one. I hope that they have some on display that I can physically sit in. I'll just see what they have because I really want to do this for her and I'm really excited about it. So that's what we're gonna do first. I have to pee already. I have only drank this much of my coffee and I already have to pee, so that's really good. All right, let's go and let's try and find my mom a new chair. God. So I don't know if you're noticing this in the back, this box. You should have seen me and the Staples employee just now in the middle of this parking lot. Oh my god. Okay, so I found a chair for my mom, sat in a couple of them. I was between 2 and then the other one was out of stock online and they didn't have any at the store and the closest store was like 20 minutes out of my way. So I just said fuck it and I got the other one. I just didn't even think about having to fit it in my car. I did not think about that. I guess I wildly underestimated the size of the box. So we get out to my car, we try to put it in the trunk. It wouldn't go in because like the width, it was too wide. So then we tried to open up the side door and put it in that way. Box was still too wide. So I was like, fuck, what are we going to do? I really don't feel like having it come back. He's like, we can hold it, you know, you can come back with another vehicle. I'm like, I don't want to do that. I don't feel like going home, changing vehicles. It's just no. Like, so I'm starting to think outside of the box. Literally thought outside of the box, and I said, can we open the box, take everything out, put all the parts into my trunk, and then just break down the box, collapse it, and put it in my car so that when I get home, I can take everything out and put it together again. You know what I mean? So that's what we did. Opened up the box, took all the parts out. They're in my trunk. That was the only way, bro. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I think that was pretty smart of me to think of. Even the guy who was helping me was like, that was a good idea. I would have never thought of that. And I'm like, well, it's called innovation. It's called thinking outside of the box. It's called problem solving, okay? Big shout out to the Staples employee who just helped me and was standing in the freezing cold, opening up a box and putting the pieces individually into my car. Anywho, so we got a chair. We still have 2 more places to go, so I'm gonna head to the second place now, which is Kohl's. I ordered some masks for my brother, some Penn State masks. He goes to Penn State and he only brought 1 home for break for some reason, and he already lost it, so I'm getting him some more. I was gonna order them online, but everywhere that I looked for these masks, shipping was $14 for some reason, and I said absolutely not. So then I found them on Kohl's and I can just go pick them up. So I already paid for them, so I just have to go there and do that. I'm gonna go to Kohl's now, and I will see you guys when I get there. Hello, stuck on my earring. All right, so I just got out of Kohl's. I went and picked up my order, and I also went to the bathroom. Oh, God bless, I feel a lot better. Now I am about to go to Target, which I'm hoping will be my final stop on this errands run. I have a list actually on my phone of what I wanted to get at Target. This is our list. These 2 I already got. So these are the things we need to get at Target. I'm actually sweating, so there's a lot of people here. The line in Kohl's was insane. I'm so happy that I got those online. Just picked them up because that line was very, very long. So I'm gonna skedaddle on out of here and go to Target. I literally do not think I have ever in my life seen this many people at Target, and I come to Target a lot, so wow. So this should be interesting.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Oh my God, I'm sweating, you guys. Oh, okay. I was just at Target for a very long time. This place is a madhouse. This parking lot is also very scary because people come at you from all directions, and I think that's illegal, but we're good. Okay. I got a good amount of stuff. It took me 3 million years to find a box to put my grandma's gift in, and even like I got a circular one and her gift is a square, so we're just gonna have to get creative and put a lot of tissue paper in there. I am sweating profusely, not even going to lie. I have a full-on turtleneck under this sweatshirt, so that's probably why I'm sweating profusely. I mean, I feel like I probably could have gotten more things at Target. I probably could have gotten some tissue paper for my gifts, but I was very overwhelmed and I had already walked like circles around the place, so I just decided to, you know, say it's fine, go with what I got. It is now 2:49 p.m. It's been like almost 3 hours that we have been running around. At least I got done what I wanted to get done. I need to eat and take off these jeans because they're crushing my abdomen, and I need to sneak all of this stuff into my house without my parents seeing what I got for them. Okay, so I'm back home now, thank God. That pretty much concludes my running errands. It's now 4 o'clock. I think that we had some good success today. I had my brother help me bring in the chair. So we went outside, taped the box back together, put everything in it, and then brought it in, told my mom that she couldn't look, pulled it up the stairs, and now it is here. I don't really have a whole lot of floor space open right now, so I'm gonna have to logistically figure that out. But that's pretty much it for today's vlog. That was my day today. It was actually a very productive day. I'm really excited about the things that I got, and the wrapping paper that I got I think is so cute. I love wrapping presents. It's like one of my favorite things ever. So I'm really excited about that. My hair looks so dark on camera. I feel like it doesn't even look this dark in real life anymore. But I love it. I love the dark. Anyway, this is besides the point. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. Actually, why am I saying that? I'm posting every day right now for 12 days of Christmas. I'm so used to saying that at the end of every video. It's actually so funny that I just caught myself. Okay, anyway, subscribe if you want to. After this 12 days of Christmas, then I post every Sunday. If you want to get notified right when I post a new video, make sure you turn on my post notifications at the little bell icons. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.